So this is a review of the Apple Magnetic Fast Charger in a USB-C form. And I use this to charge my Apple Watch Series 6, and it does charge very fast. What I like about this charger is that it takes literally like under 2 hours to charge this, and it charges very fast with this. And what I like about it is that it has a magnetic style form, so you just use it with the magnetic and it hooks on to your Apple Watch in the back side of it. And overall, I would highly recommend this Apple magnetic charger because it is the genuine product from Apple. So that is one of the huge pluses on that, because it is the genuine version of it. And overall, I would highly recommend this. I've been using this for like over the past year now, and it does the job. It charges really fast. Like I mentioned, it charges in like 2 hours. And overall, I would highly recommend this Apple magnetic charger. If you are looking for a replacement set, then this is probably one of the best ones to get. But due to the fact that it is also the genuine product from Apple, then I would highly recommend this.